Hello, little geniuses. I'm Genius. Welcome to a brand new adventure. Are you ready to go on a counting adventure and learn all about numbers? Shout yes! Fantastic. Okay, our adventure starts now. All right, our first stop is learning the amazing numbers from 1 to 10. This is going to be so much fun. Let's start with the very first number.
1. Look, it's the number 1. Can you hold up one finger, just like this? Great. Now let's say it together, nice and loud. 1. Super. 2. And here comes number 2. Let's hold up 2 fingers now. You got it? Okay, say it with me. 2. Excellent work.
3. Wow, look at number 3 go. Can you show me 3 fingers? Perfect. Let's shout this one out together. 3. Fantastic. 4. What a happy number 4. It's your turn to show me 4 fingers. Got 'em? Awesome. Now you say it. 4. You're a total natural.
5. High five for number 5. For this one, you can show me all the fingers on one hand. Let's see it. Brilliant. Now say it loud and proud. 5.
You are doing so well. Let's keep our adventure going. The next number is 6. Can you say 6? Great. After 6 comes 7. Your turn. 7. Then we have 8. Say it with me. 8. Almost there. 9. Come on, let me hear you say 9. And the big one is 10. Let's shout it. 10. You did it.
Woohoo! You did it! You counted all the way to 10. That is just absolutely amazing. Go on, give yourself a big clap.
But hold on, the adventure isn't over yet. Nope, there are even bigger numbers to discover. Are you ready to count even higher? I think you are. Let's go. Okay, you ready for some bigger numbers? Here we go. This is 11. Can you say 11? Awesome. Next up is 12. Your turn. 12. Great. Then comes 13. Say it loud. 13. After that is 14. Let me hear ya. 14. And this one here is 15. Say 15. Amazing.
We are so close to 20. Let's finish strong. This is 16. Say it with me. 16. Next up, 17. Your turn. 17. Then we have 18. Can you say 18? Just one more before the big one. 19. Say 19. And the last one for our adventure is
20. Yes, we did it. We counted all the way to 20. You are a real counting superstar. That is so, so cool.